Well, we weren't going to come out this far, but the coffee.
Sounded very good.
We made it.
What happens? We'll do a good run. Let's say we get a nice stretch road.
Well, we got to put
All right, this week on Dusty Does Cars, we've got a Manofied Rally just beginning right here in Pasadena, California, going up to Northern California. We've got a ton of classic BMWs, a lot of 2002s, a lot of awesome cars. We're gonna drive, we're gonna have a ton of fun this weekend. Let's go. Car's screaming up here, and the tires are very sticky. I'm having an amazing time on this rally. Second gear's weird. My brakes aren't, well, they're grabby, they're just a little bit spongy, but hell yeah, I love this car. Last night was the first time I drove this car. It had been built maybe a year ago, and by built I mean the motor ran and the suspension was done. But it never drove after that. It never got a shakedown. And then this last few months, it's just been building the car itself. And we always knew that the motor could fire up and the suspension was done, but we had never driven it. Wow, that is amazing. Oh, I'm tingly. I'm all tingly. Woo, this car is so much fun to have on the edge. I must bring it to a racetrack so I can test that limit. I don't want to crash into a tree right now. Horses that have it. So we're halfway, we're taking a little break, having some coffee, having some meat and cheese. We're in the mountains now. It's a little bit cooler in the shade. Everyone's car is kicking ass, no big troubles yet. So we're having a lot of fun out here. We're gonna take a little break and then hit the road. So we got a little bit up out of the heat. We're checking our cars. We had a tire change. We had a Walbro pump get a little too hot. And we're cleaning some windows and enjoying this vista. It's really hot though, so we need to keep moving. So let's go.
You need to clean your windows?
Yeah. And there's so much grip. The problem with these roads though, there's no guardrail and a lot of times there's a big cliff on the other side. So finding your limit is a terrible idea on this road, but it's so tempting. These 2002s love abuse. As long as you drive them. Not the abuse where you put them in a garage and don't drive them. That's the worst kind of abuse for cars. Today, no complaints. 105 degrees, and I don't know how many miles. My odometer, again, there's a lot of little things I didn't get a chance to fix on this car. Odometer was one of them, and for a rally, it kind of sucks because I have my map and it has all the coordinates and how many miles, and so I can't really check it to see when I'm supposed to turn right or left. I don't know what highway I'm on. I missed the last few turns. I was following the camera car. Now I don't know where I am. And they're behind me. What's my next turn? Radio. Oh, I'm on the 229 now. So if I'm on the 229.
There you go. Good better.
I'm on the 229. Turn
Yeah,
right onto, okay, I got it. Copy, 41 north. So the finish line for today is a winery. So I feel like I'm getting really close, and that excites me. All right, so we made it to Paso. The biggest drive day is behind us. Everyone made it, all the 2002s. I couldn't be more excited. Tomorrow we go to Legends of the Autobahn. It's a short drive, a little bit of a drive, but this feels like the greatest accomplishment. Seeing all of my friends' cars and our cars here, it's awesome. I'm very excited. How cool is this? Everyone together, and we've gone, I think, about 400 miles today through the canyons, through the craziest roads in California.
Thank you for all coming. Cheers. Let's enjoy tomorrow.